Right, it's currently gonna do the first spin now. 15 minutes left. See what it does. Right, it's bumps on. And it's currently going the first spin. Spins the other way, the last one it span that way. Minutes left. I will video the rinse and not the second internet spin because it doesn't spin, just distribute, so I will video the final spin. I might turn the camera around because the frame won't be very good. Alright, it's currently like distributing a bit faster, then it slows down. I'll hold the camera at this angle from now on, so bear in mind that the quality will change. It's spinning. I think that's 300 RPM. It's distributing. So it's a bit unbalanced. I'll overview this at some time. Phone's gone off. This is like what indecists do sometimes. I think this is 600 RPM. Oh, no, this is 300. It's a bit unbalanced. See, it's rocking a tiny bit. Just like spins like this for a couple of minutes, then it goes on to the next rinse. Minutes, 12 minutes. Right, slowing down. I'll stop it now and film the first rinse.